Welcome to Cadre. We're excited you're here. Let's start looking at open projects and make an offer or two. From any screen, click on Projects in your left column. From this screen, you can search for any active public projects or narrow down the options based on expertise, locality, dates, or project number. Click the dots to view project details and click on the project to view available positions. From here, review the details of the open position, making sure to note the dates, skills, and rate. If you're interested in the position, make an offer by clicking on the Make Offer button. In the slide out, review the dates, location, and scope. Add your rate if the client has chosen to receive competitive offers, and enter a brief pitch to grab the client's attention. Finally, select the transportation you would take to the project, check the boxes for Cadre's terms and conditions, Cadre's workers' compensation waiver, and any custom policies added by your client. Then click Submit. Fantastic! You've submitted an offer for a project on Cadre. Check out our YouTube channel for other helpful videos.